I was expecting Xcn to pump into this Monday low, but unfortunately we are already getting a reversal in the initial uptrend we were, and if care is not taken, Xcn might dip all the way to 0.00087 zone. You get that zone is a liquidity zone Xcn is likely to dip into. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. I think at the end of the day, it all depends on what BTC done has been invalidated, and we should start expecting Xcn to try to form an equal low, you understand, which is likely to be a triple touch on the price around 0.0085 for Xcn, which was this projection I drew in the last Xcn video. So the Monday low is a very, very important zone for Xcn. Fingers crossed. I think Xcn just got an outright correction as a result of tapping into this previous support zone, which is now acting as a resistance zone. The zone is between 0.0092. So the 0.0092 should be put into consideration now, considering it has pushed the Xcn price down with at least 4 4-hour candles, which is nasty if you ask me. That is to say, Xcn has been in a correction since in the last 16 hours. Now we need to see that zone being flipped into a support before we can start heading to the Monday low. The Monday low is also another stumbling block we need to overcome. So if the bulls are able to protect the Xcn price, then we should be able to flip the Monday low into a support, then head higher for Xcn coin. Fear and greed index is currently seated at 29%, indicating fear, and we are gradually recovering from the extreme fear zone. Over 115,000 traders have been liquidated so far in the last 24 hours, with the highest liquidation happening on the Ethereum USD pair of $12.2 million. Now, the total liquidation amount so far is currently seated at $436.2 million, with short positions getting hit the hardest. I think it's almost like a 50-50 thing. Both the long position and the short position are both getting liquidated. If you're paying attention to the BTC chart on 15-minute time frame, if you're paying attention, we are likely to get a rejection from where BTC is currently trading of around $110,000. We are likely to get a rejection to around $108,250 for BTC. If we're not getting a bounce from there, if we're not getting a bounce to around $109,000, then we should expect an outright correction all the way to this solid zone. The zone between $107,000 and $106,450 is a solid zone to like a long BTC or buy BTC. Now, anything below the $106,450 can be considered as your stop loss. We have liquidity for BTC around $106,675. We have over $65 million worth of liquidity there. And if you're going upward, we have over $82 million worth of liquidity seated around $112,378 for BTC. So this two price zone is a very, very important zone for the next price direction for BTC. And I'm not going to lie, the current price of BTC is closer to the liquidity around $112,000 than the liquidity around $106,000 for BTC. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. My name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Like this video if you haven't already. As always, my name is Isaac. Peace out.